Everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to fund your Palmpay wallet from another bank. Step 1. Get your Palmpay account number. Open your Palmpay app and find your dedicated account number on your dashboard. This acts just like a regular bank account number for receiving transfers. Step 2. Open your other bank app. Log into your bank's mobile app or internet banking platform, the one you are funding Palmpay from. Step 3. Start a transfer and select Palmpay as the beneficiary. Go to Transfer or Send Money section and search for Palmpay in the list of banks or beneficiary. Palmpay appears as a selectable option since it's a licensed mobile money platform. Step 4. Enter your Palmpay account number and the amount. Input your Palmpay account number. Some guys note using your phone number without the leading zero works too. So check which format your specific bank asks for. Then enter how much you want to transfer. Step 5. Confirm with your PIN and complete the transfer. Review the details. Enter your bank's transaction PIN to authorize it and send. Your Palmpay wallet should reflect the funds shortly after, and you will typically get a confirmation notification in the app right here. And here is a step-by-step guide on how to fund your Palmpay wallet from another bank. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.